Hello, Creepettes. March day 30. I can't be bothered to do anything with my hair, so scarves it is. Is that my kitty? So I shut the bathroom door, and Vishnu, much like a toddler, doesn't like that. The kitties have an entire box of rolled up packing paper to frolic in. I suspect they will make a huge mess here very soon. Well, once they're done lounging on my floor. Folding the last of Mr. Grebo's man panties. Got all the laundry done now. While doing Mr. Grebo's laundry, I realized he ripped out another pair of jeans, and he really likes this pair, so I need to get them patched and sewn up so he can wear them again.